In this video, we are going to see how we can change the profile picture on the YouTube application on your mobile. So first of all, just click on the bottom right and just click on the icon, which is set as a profile picture. So just click on that and click on that again. And here you will see this little pencil icon. Just click on that and it will take you to the channel settings. After that, we can change this profile picture from here. Just click here and we can choose any photo from our gallery, or you can use the Google Photos for that. So let me just choose one from gallery, or let's take a picture directly from camera. And let's say this is the picture that I want to set as a profile picture. Let's click on the stick. You can crop and rotate it and click on save as profile picture at the bottom. It will take some time and it will save it for you. Let's go back and make sure that it is saved properly. Now, it will not change immediately the main profile picture. What you have to do is just close the application, open that again, and it will change. So let's click here and you will see the updated profile picture. So that's how you do it. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.